My name is Jay. I'm currently in 8th grade. I'm going to recall these 100 digits of pi in which I learned in the WAVE workshop. 3.14159265358979 3238462643383279 5028841971 693993751 5820974944 5923 078164 0628 620899 8628034825 3421 170679. Those are the 100 digits of pi. I learned these 100 digits using wave techniques in probably within an hour. Without these wave techniques, it would have taken me much longer.